Hello everyone, this is the Essential Calculus Problems series, and in this lecture of the series we will solve the integral of secant x dx. And while solving the integral secant x dx, you firstly should know that the derivative of secant x is equal to secant x times tangent x. And also you should know that the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square of x. If you can't remember those two equations, you should firstly write secant x as 1 over cosine x and take the derivative. You will get secant x tangent x. And if you forget the derivative of tangent x, you should write it as sine x over cosine x and then take the derivative by using the quotient rule. You will get secant square of x. Okay, those two are really important. Okay, there are a few ways, but I will use here this method. I will multiply secant x by secant x plus tangent x, and this is the way that most used in calculus. Okay, I will multiply secant x by secant x plus tangent x, and because I multiplied it, I will divide it by secant x plus tangent x also, and the integral becomes this. Let's multiply it by them. Then the integral becomes secant square of x plus secant x tangent x over secant x plus tangent x dx. Let's write it as I will take secant x tangent x to the left side and take secant square of x to the right side in order for you to see more easily. Secant x plus times tangent x plus secant square of x over secant x plus tangent x dx. We know that the derivative of secant x is secant x times tangent x. Then we have the derivative of secant x on the top. Also, the derivative of tangent x is secant square of x. So we have the derivative of tangent x at the top side. Then this means that we have a function here, secant x plus tangent x, and the derivative of that function here multiplied by dx. If we have a function and its derivative multiplied by dx, we use always substitution rule. Where the function stays is not important here. Maybe fx maybe right here, or it may be at the bottom side, or it may have any exponent. It's not important. If we have any function and its derivative multiplied by dx, we always use the substitution rule. And here we will use substitution rule, and we say that secant x plus tangent x is equal to u. Then take the derivative of it. Derivative of secant x is secant x times tangent x, and derivative of tangent x is secant square of x times dx is equal to du. This means that here we have this part will be du and this will be u. Then the integral becomes du over u. Since the integral of 1 over x is an absolute value of x, then the derivative of 1 over u du is ln absolute value of u. And since we choose secant x plus tangent x as u, then this becomes ln absolute value of secant x plus tangent x. And our integral was an indefinite integral, so we add a constant c. The answer is this. In the next lecture, we will solve the integral of secant square of x dx. See you on the next video.